everybody, and welcome to a brand new vlog or video on my YouTube channel. My name is Evelyn, and before I begin this video, don't forget to subscribe down below, do a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you think about this video or what do you want to see next for me. There's coming a lot this summer, I think. I have a lot of videos planned, but you can always leave a recommendation down below and I will think about it and maybe film it. So your recommendations are always welcome down below. Now, this video, by the title, you maybe will know what's going on. It's another Shein try on and shopping unboxing haul. I bought again on Shein the third time in 2 months. So it's, I think 2 months. It's very... I spent a lot of money. I did a lot of shopping. I'm broke now. No, I'm just kidding. But I did a lot of shopping. This time I bought not so much, so it's gonna be a little vlog, not as long as the other two. So it's a combination with the last shopping Shein unboxing and try on vlog. So if you want to see that first, you can watch it. I will link it down below. So it's about 2 products from that vlog that are gonna be in this vlog too, because I bought 2 bikinis back then. They're pants, I don't know, they're bottoms, not pants, no, bottoms. Were too small. They were were really small. But Shein, you have sometimes that the size is not completely compared to what you normally wear. I would say it's not right. I would just say it's not right to what you normally would wear, but it's fine. I don't really care. I bought 2 new bottoms for those bikinis because I'm going on a vacation in like 2 weeks from now, so I need the perfect bikini because I'm not wanna look stupid on vacation, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna do an unboxing haul with you guys and then a try on haul, and I will show you the bikinis with the new bottoms as well. So let's begin this video. It's a little bag this time. So we have a clip. I'm gonna unpack it. So first of all, we have a little clip. I'm hoping you can see it. It's white. Yeah, it's white. It's a white flower clip. I think it would look pretty on vacation. Why not? What do we have next? It's another clip. It's a gold clip. I don't know if you can see it good. It's a pretty long one. So I think this one, I'm definitely sure it's good quality. From this one I'm not really sure because I can move it pretty easy. We will see. Next I bought something I saw on TikTok. Some people post on TikTok how you can remodel your car or remodel your room with Shein. And someone did that with her Fiat 500 because I have one. So I bought 1 item that I saw on it. No, two items. One item is this key, I don't know how you would call it. Something to put over your key. It's white with gold. The bag is, there's nothing on the back, but mine is black and I don't like it. I just want white with gold. Because my car on the inside is white. It's white leather, so why don't I have a white key? Then the next car item is this big thing. How do I open it? Okay. It's a car boot organizer. It has 3 large sections. For a trunk organizer, you can put your stuff like, I don't know what you have in your car, tools, or your groceries if you go shopping, or maps, I don't know, documents. I don't know what you would put in it, but I think it's for my groceries for me. Because you can also take it in the store because it has 2 handles on each side. So it's pretty big. And everyone who knows Fiat, it's a pretty small trunk. So I think it would fit perfectly. Now I have bags, but they would shift from the right side to the left side. And if you have other stuff in it, it's all over the place, so it's not organized at all. And I want my car to be organized. So the front and the back seat is organized, but my trunk is not at all because it's all over the place. So now it can be organized, and it's pretty big. You can stretch it out, so you have 3 big space. Yes, I think I'm gonna use it for my groceries because you can also like squeeze it in and you can have a little bag. So I think it's perfect. The next item is Shein Swim. It's a bottom, like I said, in size medium. This time I bought medium because the small one before, it was like pretty high up and I don't know, I don't like that. So this one is medium and I hope it fits better. So it's not the same color as my bathing suit, but the combination will go, I think. I hope so. So it's like turquoise. I hope so. I hope it will go. I hope you can see the color right. It's blue, greenish. I like the color, I like the fabric. Now I hope it will fit. The next one is another bottom. It's orange. If you saw my other unboxing and try on haul from Shein, last one, you saw that I bought an orange bathing suit with a top and a skirt. So it was a 4-piece, I think, yeah, 4-piece. And the bottoms of the orange one were pretty small too, so I bought this to go with it. It's the same color, but the prices I don't know. I will put the links down below again. The side is like this, so you can make it tighter or looser. It's also a size medium, so we will see. I think it will be perfect. I will link all the items that I bought down below, so you can buy it or you can look it up, whatever you want, and look or look at the prices, because I don't remember them. I'm sorry. It took a little over a week this time to come, but I'm glad it's on time for my vacation, so that's all good. Now I'm gonna try it on. Oh wait, I'm gonna let you see which bikini it was first. So this is the bikini top, and this is the bottom I bought with it now. So if you look, it's the same color, so that's okay. And then for the next one, it's the tie-dye, yes, tie-dye bikini top. I don't know if you can see, it's tie-dye, and the color comes in the top, so I think it's the same, it's gonna work. Let's hope. Before I go over to trying on the two bikinis, I want to show you this, the key cover up, or I don't know how you would call it otherwise. So this is how it looks on my key. So it's pretty, it's gold with white, and it has the same buttons, so yes, I think it would work. So that was a very good tip from the girl on TikTok, so thanks. And now I'm gonna try on the bikinis. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will put all the links down below for this video, the items that I bought, of course. I hope you liked this unboxing and try on haul. It was a short video, but I hope you can find some items that you like. I will link also the previous videos down below, and I will see you in this next video. Bye!